Knuckle cracking sounds wild, but could it really lead to arthritis, or is it just a harmless habit? Is it A or B? You decide. Is it A, cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, or B, it has no link to arthritis? After a pause, the reveal comes. The answer is B, cracking knuckles does not cause arthritis, though it may weaken grip temporarily or annoy others. Fun fact, scientists say the sounds come from gas bubbles in the joint and do not damage the cartilage. Let us know in the comments what other myths you want debunked, and smash that like for more quick science bites.